Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about ALDEN'S request. So ALDEN'S request is obtained via a leaflet which I found on the billboard. In my particular case I actually found it on the billboard out by St. Hilasius's House of Healing. There were multiple billboards here that contained the quest, and the quest itself is for Ferdinand. So when you come into the village, all you're going to need to do is come to the apothecary here. I'm just outside the blacksmith for reference, and then when you come here all you need to do is head in and then come to the left here and go ahead and start the chat dialogue. And then once we've spoken with him, we then get a second quest to go and speak to his colleague at the arena outside of town, which is directly to the south. So simply mount up and head over there, or if you prefer you can take the Abyssal Nexus and then fly down. And then when you arrive here, you're going to be looking for this guy here in the straw hat. He does patrol around the area. I have seen him sitting over there at the tables before as well, so you are going to have to keep an eye out for where he is in the camp. But simply go ahead and talk to him. And there you can see we've now completed ALDEN'S request, and then all we need to do from here is go back to ALDEN'S shop and report on the outcome. From there, go ahead and hand in the quest, and then you can see that we have now completed ALDEN'S request, which has given us additional bag space and 3 timber. So I really hope that this tutorial helps, guys. Please drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.